What's up, gamers? Welcome to a new episode of GameForward, brought to you by Lionbridge Game Services. One of the most anticipated video game releases of this year just came out a few days ago. It's God of War. And in today's episode, we want to share with you guys our experience playing the game. Let's go. For the first time ever, Kratos got a sidekick. But not just any sidekick. It's his son Atreus. With abilities of his own, he supports his dad in the quest. Atreus is definitely a fresh change and the perfect addition to the game. If you're like us and loved the double blades of chaos, you will definitely need to readjust to the new weapon. This time, Kratos is yielding the Leviathan Axe, a weapon so powerful that its strength is on par with Thor's mythical hammer. God of War stays true to his mythology roots, but with improved controls and, most importantly, better storytelling. Plus, there's lots more things to do. Also, as you go deeper into the game and the story, the Kratos and Atreus characters are different for every player, which creates a unique experience and opens up the possibility to different ways to play this awesome game. Hope you enjoyed this episode of GameForward. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and let's keep moving games forward together.